Vivo X300 is about to hit the global market, and today we've got an early unboxing of this brand new flagship. So let's dive into it and see what Vivo has packed inside. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Now, let's dive into the unboxing. Starting with the box, Vivo has kept a familiar design. Just like the X200, it comes in that sleek, black jewelry box style packaging with a striking metallic edge. You'll also notice the small blue Zeiss co-branding label, highlighting their continued partnership. Overall, the packaging feels premium and very thoughtfully designed, creating that sense of emotional value Vivo always aims for. Opening the box, the first thing you'll see is a silicone protective case in the same blue shade as the phone itself. The quality feels solid, and it's definitely nice to have included. Alongside that, you get a charger and data cable that support 90 watts fast charging, so you're set for super fast top-ups right out of the box. Now let's set those aside and take a closer look at the phone itself. The unit here is the Vivo X300 in free blue. The color is fresh and vibrant, and thanks to the velvet glass finish on the back, it feels smooth, warm, and resistant to fingerprints, unlike typical glossy panels. It also sits really nicely in the hand. On the front, you're looking at a 6.31-inch display with ultra-thin 7.95mm bezels, making it compact yet immersive. It definitely carries on the legacy of the X200 Pro Mini, with that same sleek and lightweight feel. Under the hood, the Vivo X300 becomes the very first phone to feature the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 processor, the same chip that's positioned to rival Apple's A19 Pro. We'll be testing its performance more deeply soon, but this is already an exciting upgrade. And now, let's talk cameras, because this is where Vivo has gone all in. The main camera is built around a massive 1.4-inch sensor paired with a 200-megapixel Samsung custom CMOS and Zeiss-coated lenses, promising some seriously stunning shots. But that's not all. Inside this slim body, Vivo has also managed to fit a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with a 70mm focal length, capable of 100 bass Zeiss ultra-clear zoom, as well as a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. These kinds of high-end camera setups are usually reserved for pro models, but here we're getting it in the standard version. Vivo has gone all out with the X300. Alongside the Dimensity 9500, it also comes with Vivo's own custom image processor. This brings advanced focus tracking and handles challenging situations like fast-moving subjects or high-contrast environments with ease. And yes, it fully supports those massive 200-megapixel shots, keeping the image sharp no matter how much you zoom or crop. On the software side, the X300 ships with OriginOS 6 right out of the box. The interface has that frosted glass effect, which not only looks sleek, but also feels fresh and premium. And when it comes to gaming, thanks to the Dimensity 9500, you can expect smooth performance that won't let you down. So that's it for today's unboxing. I'll be uploading a full detailed review in just 2 days, so make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. Honestly, the Vivo X300 is a real surprise package. Even though this is the standard version, it still packs in a custom CMOS periscope telephoto lens, Vivo's own NPU-backed imaging tech, and of course, the powerhouse Dimensity 9500. All of this makes it feel like the strongest standard edition we've seen yet. In our upcoming in-depth review, we'll cover everything from the camera performance to the system experience and overall power of this phone. Stay tuned. There's a lot more to test and share with you.